up, YouTube? How are you guys doing? It is Saturday, I think June 14th. Yep, tomorrow's Father's Day. Oh, that's another thing we need to do. We need to go get Daddy a card while we're out.
We should get him some carrot cake.
That would be nice. Yeah, I guess we could just give him his Father's Day stuff. But how are we gonna hide the carrot cake so he doesn't see it? So we are out for a walk right now. It is probably like 3 in the afternoon, 3:30, and we haven't done anything today. It was storming this morning.
Mommy, that's a real.
That is a real motorcycle. It was storming this morning, so it was like perfect just to like lay down and sleep in. So, see, we woke up and I pumped, and Daddy made us breakfast, and ended up going back to sleep for a little while, which felt really good. Yeah, felt real good. Me and the baby took a really good nap, and hand itches. So we are up and moving around now. I'm like, we got to get outside. We can't stay in here all day. Go a little stir crazy when I'm in the house too long. So on our walk, we were just like, what do we want to do? Let's do something. So I think we're gonna go, we have a little, what would you call it? A little farm, and they have like a farmer's market, and they have like booths and stuff where people sell their different products. So I think we're gonna go there and we can feed the animals, the pigs, the chickens, the horses, the cows. Huh? They might, if they're still doing it. It's kind of late in the afternoon. They usually, ooh, you got mud all up your shirt, Kason. They usually do that in the morning. So we'll see if they still have any booths there. So I think we're gonna go check that out. We've gone several times. So it just gives us something to do. Get out of the house for a few hours. I probably should pump before we go though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. And yeah, just get out of the house for a little bit. It'll be fun. So, turn around. Okay.
Yeah, Africa.
See you in Africa. So yesterday, after work, I went to go look for, I went to like Once Upon a Child to go look for some overalls for the baby, because I want to do 1 year old photo shoot. What should I call it, a photo shoot? I don't know. I just want to take photos of him, 1 year old photos. I can't believe he's almost 1. He's teenager. And so I'm like, you know what? I might as well just pick up a few more t-shirts, you know, just some cheap little t-shirts for him while I'm here. And I got like 18 months. Yeah, I knew he was kind of big boy. And even the 18-month t-shirts are big on him, are small on him. I could barely get it on. I'm like, dang, how big is he? He's as big as a 2-year-old. What you got there?
No, it was like this. And then when I keep clapping it, it turns like this.
Huh.
Now got some dirt on it. And see what it does.
Okay.
See what?
Oh, okay.
It's totally.
It's some of the water. There must be the water in it. Yeah. But, okay, we're gonna finish this, head back home. I gotta pump. I need to wash my face and stuff before we go. So, we're gonna do that, get ourselves together, and we'll see you there. All right, we are finally on our way. We had to go ahead to pump, and yeah, then we are headed out. It is, what is it, about 5:15 in the evening, and we're gonna go up here for an hour or so and just hang out and feed the animals. So, give us something to do and get out of the house for a little bit. so we'll see y'all when we get there. What are you looking?
Swaddly sauce. Barbecue sauce.
That good?
It tastes spicy.
They got music. Is it live music? No. Mother this way. I can't push him. What?
What kind of tree is that?
You give him the big ones.
Hey, look at their pretty eyelids.
Hold your hand flat. Okay, so take it. Right there.
Oh! Oh! I feed it!
You fed it?
He's our piggy.
Well, feed it.
He's our piggy.
Go before the food's gone. Ain't nobody waiting on you.
Already fed it.
Hold your hand flat. There you go. Good job.
Do you see this dog?
Yeah. Cows. Look at that big cow. Your brother? Go ahead. Go feed him. It's a really fun place to come. It's literally like 3 minutes from our house, and it's just fun to come spend a little bit of time here. Just hang out, see the animals. The chickens, love to get some chickens. I'll be that kind of woman one day. I say hi, horsey. Hi, horsey. We got a wild animal right here. Chicken. Good, Bubbles. He's going? Where's it going? See the boy? I don't know what they're doing over there. I guess they're feeding the animals. Me and Bubba are standing in the shade. It's actually not too bad out here, which makes it a good day to come. It's, you know, maybe in the 70s, high 70s or something like that. Baby. Hi, is that your mommy?
She didn't eat me.
Is that your mommy? Pet him, please. Pet him again. What you take, Bubba's? Just don't let him put it in his mouth.
I want to bury him.
We really have Violet.
I'm burying the baby.
What'd you take?
What's the cannonball?
What's the cannonball?
Oh!
I bet that hurt. I'm gonna think.
What is that?
Oh my god.
What is it?
Oh, how funny. I'll be looking for that. Oh, how funny. A little gopher. I'm gonna sit here and look for it.
Cannonball! Oh!
What? How's somebody gotta help you? Smile, Kason, hurry before it gets out. Smile.
Oh my gosh, it's fly!
Smile, real quick. One picture. Smile. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Smile, Violet!
That was so
Oh, look, it's coming. Don't go back. Look, it's coming. Yeah.
They buried the goat. They buried it?
He didn't stay back.
Wait, back up.
Scared it, baby. Stay back.
She's not scaring it. Oh, never mind.
What y'all doing? You guys make a friend over there? Y'all are funny.
No, don't take it back up. Dad, no. No.
Look at the other one.
The goat looks pretty happy.
No, stop with my shoes. Why you go in with the... No, you don't stop.
No, yeah, he doesn't. Yeah, he looks real happy. Huh?
I don't know if this is... No, why did you knock in this side now? Mommy, look. You're good.
Still getting corn.
Oh, be careful of the light.
Jamie, pregnant mama. Look at him up there. What are you doing up there? Alright, we just left. We're headed back home. That was fun. We spent like an hour and a half out there.
More than.
No, we were headed about 5:15. It's 6:45 now. So about an hour and a half. And that was fun. You know, $10 just to go hang out, something outside. It was really fun. I thought seeing the gopher was really cute. What was y'all's favorite part? Feeding the animals? Corn pit was yours, Rylan?
Burying the animal.
Burying the animal, that was your favorite part?
Burying the goat in the corn.
That was your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, seeing that thing in the
The gopher, I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The way it literally scratched my skin.
Yeah, it was cute too. Its little bitty ears are so cute.
And then
It
he ate all
looks
the
scary
corn
though up
already.
close.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, his teeth are really
And then
long.
its claws are so big.
I bet he ate all the corn.
I bet he did too. Yeah, it was pretty fun to go and just do something outside. I'm ready to get in the shower. I am hot and sweaty, and everybody needs a bath. So, gotta figure out what we're gonna do for dinner, and then take baths. So, guess we'll see y'all later. Okay, so I got to the house and baby was asleep, laid him down, and then I'm like looking to figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. And the chicken in there is probably a little too risky. You know, it's been sitting in there for a little too long. So I'm gonna run to Walmart to find some meat to cook. I'm probably just gonna get chicken thighs, cut them up, season them, and just fry, you know, cook them on the stove or something. Just something easy. I would like to have something like where I have leftovers to take to work tomorrow, so I have some kind of protein to eat. For a while I did make like this, what kind of chicken would it be called, where it's like soy sauce and honey and sesame seeds, and it was like honey chicken basically, I guess, and it was really good. But my kids won't eat that, or at least my son won't eat that. And then when I was leaving, they reminded me, be sure and get a card, and we're gonna get Daddy some carrot cake for Father's Day. I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta get him something. You know, I already got him a hat. I'll show you guys. This says Dad, and then it has the kids' names on it, for Father's Day. And then I got my dad a World's Best Pawpaw hat for Father's Day. So I'm probably just gonna get him a card and a carrot cake, and I might find like a little bag or something to put it in so that we can hide it. You know, we're not really gonna be able to hide it. Like, he's gonna be able to, I don't know, we'll figure it out. We could wrap it, and like, we have like Christmas wrapping paper. We could do that. We might do that. Just wrap it in wrapping paper and give it to him. So we're gonna do that. Gotta get him something for Father's Day. The hat's pretty cute. It's gonna look really nice on him. And it has the kid's name on it. The only thing is that they didn't like space the names out very well. I don't know why they didn't do that. They said on the thing that they would space the names out, but whatever, it's not that serious. So yeah, gotta swing by Walmart and pick this stuff out. So y'all are gonna come along with me and keep me company. Got a few cards. Okay, just got back in the car. I got me some cheesecake. I'm about to eat this chocolate one before we get home. Don't tell the kids. And then they didn't have Daddy's favorite, which is carrot cake, so we just had to go with this vanilla birthday cake. And got some chicken and rice because I used up all the rice the other day. And I got a card from me to him. We're barely screwing up this parenting thing. High five, happy Father's Day. And then I got a card from the kids to him. Hey Dad, you're a guy with lots of wisdom and a big authentic smile. You're a guy who's always loving in his own heart, warm-hearted style. And you're a guy who's really helpful when you see we're in a bind. You're a guy who loves to tease us but can still be sweet and kind. You're a guy who can be serious, yet you wrote the book of fun. You're more than just a good guy. You're a dad who's loved a ton. So got him that, and then I got my dad one. For you, Dad. For you, Dad, from your daughter. Me and my dad love getting each other like really sweet cards that like make you want to cry. Yeah. For you, Dad, from your daughter. It's hard to describe how much it means having a dad like you. The joy that comes from being loved, the confidence that comes from being believed in, and the sense of security that comes from knowing there's always somebody to depend on. It's hard to describe how much you mean because you mean so much. So all I can do is tell you I love you and hope that it says it all. Happy Father's Day. So, the daddies are covered. Now I'm gonna try this cheesecake. I'm not super crazy about cheesecake, but it's still pretty good. If it's chocolate, it works for me. Okay, editing Alayna here. I just wanted to thank you guys for being here. Thank you for checking out our channel and watching this video. It means the world to me. Please leave us a comment down below and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.